everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Shop Justice gift card online using your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Now in the URL box that pops up at the top, type in www.shopjustice.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Justice or Shop Justice, which looks like this. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Make sure to click on this human icon at the upper right hand corner to do so, and this will bring up sign in page. If you don't have an account yet for Shop Justice, go ahead and enter the information on the right hand side of the screen, fill in all of the details and click on create an account at the bottom. If you already have an account, you can log into your account by entering the account's credentials, that is your email address associated with the account, followed by your password. Make sure to enter both of the information correct and click the sign in button. Once you're logged into your Shop Justice account, go ahead and choose a product that you'd like to shop with from the options displayed at the top. Let me choose a random product right here so that I can show it to you how. Once you find the product that you'd like to shop with, give it a click. Choose the color for your product, select its size, quantity, and click on add to cart. Once you add the product in your shopping cart, click on go to checkout button. Now, in the checkout page, go ahead and enter your contact information if needed and type in your shipping address in the text boxes. Once you're done with it, you can click on continue to shipping. On the next page, you'll need to select your payment method. If you want to pay with a gift card for the particular product, go to the reward/discount code or gift card number box on the right hand side of the screen. Now gently peel off the metallic strip at the back of your gift card for Shop Justice, and once you reveal the information, type in the code available at the back of your gift card and finally click on apply to apply the gift card with the product online. If you have enough balance on your gift card, you'll be able to redeem it right away by shopping for a product with Shop Justice. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.